Well, Roy, let's get to your stock pick for today. What are you choosing?
So I looked and I saw the long bond yields have come down. There's so much uncertainty. So I decided to pick Vukile, which is a property stock. Vukile next year will have 60% of its earnings out of Iberia and the balance in South Africa. They've cleaned out their portfolio. They're pure property managers. They effectively will have a euro yield of reasonable numbers. And domestically, they invested primarily in malls that are township malls, which are quite vibrant. They're all full, and you're starting to see rentals going up. So for the risk-averse investor who's looking for income, you could do a whole lot worse than a Vukile.
Okay. All right. Where are you finding value today, JP?
I'm finding it in the local retail sector, Zanati. So if you can take yourself back a year, just over a year ago, it was just after the elections. It was early days of the GNU. There was some uncertainty. And a lot of retail stocks then did very well the last half of last year. And many of them have come back all the way, some of the way, but some all the way back to where they were trading just over a year ago. And Italtile is one of those. So I do think that there's value in Italtile's shares. Yes, operations are under pressure, but with the June year end, I think if they are able in their full year results to at least maintain their headline earnings per share or very close to maintain it, be only down slightly, that would be a very solid result from them. Not a lot of debt on the balance sheet, very cash generative. And then there were some issues with one of the directors that had some shares that were pledged. And because the share has been under pressure, the outstanding guarantee from the controlling shareholder was more than the shares that were pledged. So all those shares were sold in the market at under 10 Rand. And that has put pressure on the share price. Now that's out of the way, and the operating performance hopefully near the turning point, and hopefully some better days ahead for Italtile. It is my stock pick tonight.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time and for your analysis today, gents. Really appreciate it. That is all for tonight's Stock Watch. Thanks to our guest, Jean-Pierre Verster from Protea Capital Management and Roy Mutooni from Sanlam Investments. Up next, The Close. Stay watching.